Welcome to Comply Relax. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare the register of charges in Comply Relax. The software helps you maintain this statutory register by automatically fetching available charge details and allowing you to import information from MCA charge forms whenever required. Go to Masters tab from left main menu, then Company Master. Search the required company for which you want to prepare the register of charges and click Open. Before generating the register, make sure that the index of charges is updated with the latest information available on the MCA portal. Navigate to Masters, then Index of Charges. If the data has not been updated recently, simply click the Update button. Comply Relax will automatically fetch all the charges available on the MCA portal. Keeping the index of charges updated ensures that your register of charges contains the latest charge records. Now, let's generate the register. From the left side menu, navigate to Reports, then click on Statutory Register and select CHG7. The system automatically uses the information available in the index of charges to prepare the register. Click Export Register to view it. At this stage, you'll notice that while most basic details are already available, some fields may still be blank. These fields are generally populated from the charge forms filed with MCA. Let's see how to complete them. If your charge forms were not filed through Comply Relax, you can either enter the details manually using the Add Manual button or upload the MCA eForm PDF using the Upload eForm button to automatically populate the register of charges. Click on Upload eForm. Then select the charge ID, form type, form name. Next, choose the downloaded PDF and click Upload. Comply Relax will automatically read the eForm and extract all the required information for the register of charges. For example, let's check this charge ID in the exported register. As you can see, several fields are currently blank. Now I'll upload the corresponding CHG form. Once the upload is complete, I'll export the register again. If the charge forms were prepared in Comply Relax, you don't even need to upload the PDF. Simply click Fetch Existing Data. The system displays all eligible charge forms already available in your Comply Relax account. Select the required form and click Submit. The information is automatically updated to the register of charges. This is the fastest method. Now the upload is completed. Let's search the charge ID again. You can now see that all the relevant details have been automatically populated from the uploaded eForm. If you want to make any corrections or add information manually, Comply Relax also provides that option. Click Add Manual. Here you will see all the existing records. Click the Edit icon to modify a record or the Delete icon to remove it. Update the required details and click Submit. This option is useful whenever you need to make manual corrections that are not available through imported forms. To download the register, simply choose your preferred format, Word, Excel or PDF. An Edit button is provided if you need to modify the form. With these features, you can maintain a complete and accurate register of charges while saving considerable time and effort. Thank you for watching.